Hi everyone, this is Emma. Today I'm going to show you how to sew a really quick and easy sock doll. So let's get started. First you're going to cut off the bottom of a sock just below the heel and then stuff it. And then you're going to take a needle and thread and you're going to sew all around the opening to close it up. Pull it tightly and take a few stitches to secure it. And then position the neck wherever you would like it and attach thread. And then wind it around several times and pull tightly and then secure that with a few stitches as well. And now you're going to be able to reposition the stuffing with the needle and attach this thread at the chin and pull it down all the way around to the other side and then sew it to secure it at the back of the neck. And that will form the legs. Now you take another sock and you're going to cut it the length you need to make a little shirt or a dress, and then fold up the bottom and then sew it together between the legs. Like that. Now you're going to cut the toe end to make a hat. So place that on. You can roll it up 2 times and stuff it, and then sew it onto the head. Now cut another little piece off the white sock and cut 2 squares for the arms. Thread the yarn around and then pull it tightly with some stuffing inside to form little ball type arms, and then sew those on the side of the body. And sew all the way around. Like that. And do the same on the other side, and then tie some yarn around the neck. And then you can put some blush on the cheeks, like that. And with a permanent marker, you can just add 2 little eyes. But you could also stitch the eyes on with some black thread. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make these little sock dolls. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.